my name's Leona Matuszak and I make custom mosaic signs. Today I'm going to show you through the process of how I made one of my most recent commissions. Okay, so first of all, I talked to the client about what design that we were going to create, and she wanted the design to be about wildflowers. So I went online and I chose some really nice images of a few wildflowers that I really liked. She also specified that she wanted the flowers to be in certain colours, so I chose flowers based on those colours. Then I started designing the actual piece and arranging the flowers around the central words. And then I started drawing this out to scale, so drawing it out on the big wooden board. So I purchased the tiles that I needed and I just roughly laid them all out so I knew where everything was going to go. And then I started to get to work, so I would cut each tile individually as I went along. And so I started placing them down with an adhesive, which is a grip feel adhesive, which is suitable for outdoors. All the signs that I make are for outdoor use. So then I went on to the grouting, so I mixed up some grout and I used a mid-grey grout for this piece, and I put it all over the top of the surface and then begin to scrape it off and push it all into the little grooves in between each tile. Then after that, the last process is sponging off all the grout from the top of the surface of the tiles and making sure it was clean and all the glass and ceramic tiles could shine through. And so there it is, there's the final piece all complete. So if you'd like to see any more of my designs, please go to my website, which is leonamatuszak.com.